Welcome back to another episode of Taste and See with D. Today, pepper steak is on the menu. I have my sirloin steak, my onions, and my peppers. What you didn't see is my habanero peppers. So I included two of those without the seeds. Seeds add too much heat to it. So I heated up some oil. I'm going to let my peppers and onions saute for about 5 to 7 minutes. Those are the rest of my ingredients that will go on my steak. So now I'm going to add all of the seasonings to my steak. So this right here is soy sauce. Not too much, just enough to cover it up. Then next is Worcestershire. And then my hoisin sauce. And I'm going to stir that together and add it to my pan. Mix that all together. Let that cook for about 5 minutes together so everybody can get to know each other in the pan. They can all get to know each other. All right. And then I added my water to the pot. Ginger. And then I'm going to top it off with some sesame oil. Now, to add thickness to my gravy, to make it a little bit thicker and not so watery, I made a slurry of flour and water. Now I'm going to plate it up with my rice first, and I'm going to top it off with my pepper steak. Now, not that I'm trying to toot my own horn, but I gotta toot my own horn because this tasted like I really knew how to cook Chinese food. This is probably the only Chinese dish that I ever knew how to cook. But anyway, this was really good. If you like this recipe, be sure to like and subscribe. And